channel. Last time I showed you AND operator, OR operator, and Boolean data type. Today, I will introduce more about Python. I will introduce what is class, what is object, and how to use parent and child class. They are very useful and easy to learn. Let's go!
Today, I will cover 3 topics. First is class, second is object, and third is parent and child class. Class is a template for creating a new object. I like to use car for example. This black and white car image is more like a class concept in Python because the user can use this outline to create a great variety of car objects based on their needs. Python is an object-oriented programming language like C++ and Java. In order to create an object, it should have a class first. Class is like the basic model or template to create this object. To make this class ready to create an object, this class collects its own variables, functions, and more that are ready to customize this object. If this is a car class, there might be color, brand, or horsepower variables to initiate. In addition, it might have to speed, to brake, or to maintain functions to behave. Now let's talk about what is an object. An object is created after in a class that has been instantiated. Instantiated means to give all the details to this car class and make it alive. Let's take a look at this sample source code. Here, I created an object called myCar and first assigned a car class to this object. At this moment, a car object has been created. If you do not give details to this car object when this object is created, you can provide the details later. For me, I set it to red color later. I set its brand to Honda later, and I set its horsepower to 180 later. After the properties are set, a car object is alive. A class can be used to create a great variety of objects if you set different characteristics to each object. In this picture, you can see different kinds of car objects that were created by our car class. Let's talk about the inheritance relationship in Python class. In this picture, child is the B class at the bottom, and the parents are the A class at the top. If B class inherits A class, then B is a child class and A is a parent class. We can see this child shares the same smile and round face as their parents. By using inheritance, child class will share properties with the parent class. Here is another good example to explain how to apply parent class and child class. Human is a kind of mammal, so human can be a child class that inherits mammal class as parent class. The benefits of child class is to take advantage of the available properties from the parent instead of starting from scratch for those same properties, which saves time. By inheriting parent class, you are ready to use those same properties and are able to develop your own traits that are different from your parents. For this example, this child shares the same smile and round face as your parent, but develops his own traits such as blonde hair, outfit preference, and so on. Let's take a look at how to create a class in Python. It is simple. Type class, space, and then class name, and then colon. Class mammal is a parent class. No parentheses is needed for the parent class. Type the orange past text, and for now, we can skip the details of this class. Without typing this past text, it will cause a compiling error. Also, this past text should be in an indented block. Next, to create a child class called human and inside the parentheses, we need to type its parent class name, which is mammal. This format tells Python that whoever is inside the parentheses is the parent class. So, the second class, human class, is a child class that inherits mammal as the parent class. Here is the screenshot of Python IDLE. If you run module or press F5, it will not show anything on the screen for now, and that is normal. Don't be surprised that you have successfully created a parent class and child class in Python. I will talk about more details on how to take advantage of available functions from parent class and how to manipulate parent and child class in the next tutorial.
Congratulations! You have learned what is class, what is object, and how to use parent and child class. Are you confident now? I will show you more tutorials on how to write a Python program in the future. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!